South Beach, we know what it is. Surf or die. Scam daddy, I got a stripper on me. Nah, I'm kidding.
Alright.
Definitely have.
Yo, where are we going today, dude?
We're going for a little skin sesh at South Point with the boys.
Oh shit.
Probably catch some waves.
Skimmy Sash.
Hello, who?
Skimmy Sash.
Get some babes.
Bro, oh me, I believe this is the only babe we have here, bro, though.
She's not the only babe out here.
YouTube? But let's not talk about it. It's hot, it's humid.
So what? There's a bathroom right here. No,
It's a nude beach. Yeah, no, I did
it's for girls, not for guys. Like I see titties out all
No, you
the
can
time.
do that, you can do that.
Take off the top.
Alright.
She's not working right now.
Wait, what? Wait, working who? Wait, where do you work at?
South Beach, baby.
What was that?
You know what it is. Surf or die. Scam daddy, I got a stripper on me. Nah, I'm kidding.
Alright, Ryan, where we at?
The beach, baby.
Ooh. Superman.
B-roll on my Kim K.